Do you understand the mathematical knowledge in the Chinese national flag? The ratio of length to height of the Chinese national flag is 3 to 2. We first draw a rectangle with an aspect ratio of 3 to 2. Divide this rectangle into 4 equal parts. Set the vertex at the bottom left of the small rectangle in the upper right corner as the origin, with the right direction as the x-axis, and the line on the left side of the flag as the y-axis, to construct a planar Cartesian coordinate system. Then divide the rectangle in the upper left corner into 10 equal parts, and 15 equal parts on the left and right sides. Find the center points of 5 pentagrams, with the center points of the large pentagram located 5 times above and 5 times below the rectangle, 5 times to the left and 10 times to the right. The center points of the 4 small pentagrams are located 2 times above and 8 times below the rectangle, respectively, 10 on the left and 5 on the right, up 4, down 6, left 12, right 3 up 7, down 3, left 12, right 3 9 up and 1 down, 10 left and 5 right. Then draw a circle with the center point of the big pentagram as the center and a radius of 3 equal divisions. Draw a circle with the center points of 4 small pentagrams as the center points and a radius of 1 equal part. Divide the big circle into 5 equal parts. We need to use a ruler and ruler for drawing, and we will not explain it further. Connect the 5 equal points of a large circle, draw as a pentagram. Connect the center point of the large circle with the center points of the 4 small circles, and the intersection point of the line in each small circle is the vertex for drawing a small pentagram. Also draw 4 more points on each of the 4 small circles, divide the 4 small circles into 5 equal parts, and draw a pentagram. Next, we will remove the excess auxiliary lines, fill the interior of the 5 pentagrams with yellow. Fill in the remaining parts in red. The 5-star red flag is already made.